Day number 3. Raining enough that it's going to stop us probably from doing anything today. Already, yeah, it's staying put. It's not going away. Had to move the swag because the rain was pouring off where it was pooling on the top onto that end of the swag.
Rain's up the pole and ahead.
Yep. Doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon. 7 hours of rain. Heading out to do some more walking, looking for pigs. I've taken my muzzle on my gun.
Is that the driveway?
Oh, it's the driveway here.
Hey?
This main dirt road out here is the driveway. That's because it is wet. Thorns, thorns, and more thorns. Starting to walk across that scrub over there. Gonna head up this tree, up this fence line, and cut across. Plenty of sign of pigs in here, but you would never fucking see them unless they were 2 foot from you. And even then, once you're in the grass, they'd pretty much have to poke them with a muzzle of your gun to shoot them. Also on a fence line here as well. So we're going to cut back this way, and this comes out onto another farm.
Yeah, we've just hit the fence line, and as I predicted, more whinging.
I couldn't get any closer because of all this fucking tree shit in my ankle. Nearly collapsed twice trying to fucking move up to you. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck, this is bad for my foot. Oh. Big sow. Oh, take it steady here in this shit. Oh, fucking hell. Farmers friends. She's down.
You see it?
One in the shoulder there, just behind the shoulder.
I hit it with this, I don't know where it went, Must be it.
Roll her over if you want. Give me a second to take a photo.
Oh, fucking too heavy.
I definitely hit her because she was fucking... I reckon I hit her in the shoulder or something because she was fucking hopping funny. She wasn't running right. I was trying to roll her. Fucking tree fucking ran shit me in the fucking head. I don't think... Oh, there's blood there too. So that could have been it where it come out. She's down, done for.
It's a little circle. I always come back around. I'm gonna run into them back over here. I wanted to grab one because they'll just come straight for me.
Doing the fucking long walk back to the car. This side of this fence looks awful fucking shit still, Michael. Fuck, this is fucking dodgy fucking shit. For my ankle anyway. Any pigs over there, Scotty? Can't see any. Where are we going to cut? Back to this fence line? That'll be the quickest way.
What do you reckon? We've got still an hour and a half of daylight.
It's going to take us a little while to fucking get back there. Because we've got to get back there and then come through that gate up to where we parked the car. Fuck. Is it? I'm just fucking sliding here like buggery. Shit. Fucking hell. Holy fuck, Michael. Oh.
Come on! What are ya?
You're not fucking wrong. They're gonna smell us any fucking second. Do you want me to be a rest for you? Because he's useless, he fucking shakes and shit. I'll be a rest for you if you want. You can shoot over my shoulder. Ready? Yeah. Stay fucking still.
Nice shot.
Drop him. Oh. Oh, fucking shit. Oh, fuck me. Six. Fuck, that's fucking loud, isn't it? When you're not behind it.
I know.
What do you think of it though?
Nice.
It's not bad, is it? It's just like a 243.
Yeah.
Oh.
You probably don't know if you got slug or 9 pellets on slug.
Shoot slightly to the left.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, it is for me anyway. I was aiming dead centre, but it's hitting off to the left.
Here's the try again.
Yeah, it's fucking hitting to the left. I'll leave an empty shell in it if you want. Probably
How do you
safer.
adjust these fuckers for that?
That'll be this rear sight. No, it won't. I don't know, this looks like the whole fucking unit's welded.
Mm.
Normally, like with my 4570, this is, both of these slide on in a fucking dovetail.
Mm.
Oh, the front one's screwed on, but then the actual sight bead is in a left to right dovetail, so you drift it.
Yeah, no, these.
Yeah. Michael with the Bioto.
Oh.
Hold on to it.
That's right. That's good.